Welcome to GTA Madrid. Before traveling, you will receive an email from GTA on how to use the GTA Uber account during your training. Download the Uber account on your phone and follow the instructions in the email received. Once you arrive at Madrid Airport, you will have 30 minutes of free Wi-Fi network connection. Take this opportunity to use your GTA Uber account and request a car to the accommodation. From this point on, all trips for training purposes will be made through your GTA Uber account. In the invitation letter, you will find the name and address of your apartment, which is always 10 to 15 minutes away from the airport. When training for recreational and tourism purposes, please use your personal account or public transportation. Remember that there is one GTA Uber account available for each crew. If you do not have the GTA Uber account in your app, download the trip receipt and at the end of your training, you will be reimbursed. Relax and gather your strength for the training. Your sales representative will send you an email with your schedule for the following days, which will begin with an introduction presentation for the course. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call GTA or your sales representative directly.